Welcome back, my glamorous viewers. Today I have created this beautiful look for you guys. It's a Valentine look, very sophisticated, classy look, and I tried to make it as short as possible so you won't see the foundation routine and eyebrow routine, because I wanted to go very detailed with the eye look. And as you can see my new backdrop, I hope you guys like it. So without further ado, let's start the makeup. So today's foundation routine won't be in the camera, but I'm just telling you guys what I'm using, because the eyeshadow I want to show it very detailed. So to cut it short, the foundation routine I'm not going to show. As usual, I'm going to use this primer, and this is from POREfessional, you all knows, and then the FARSALI oil, and of course I clean my face with the Pixi toner and Strobe Cream I'm going to apply, and then the foundation I'm going to today use the same Milani Cosmetics 8 and 9 mixed together, half and half, and then set that. But up to the setting I won't do it in the recording, so that I can go very detailed with my eyeshadow. Okay, so I have done my face, and I did not contour, and I did not put any setting powder, just the foundation and the eyebrows. And eyebrow routine, still I'm stuck with this. I don't know what to do, too much love involved. And this is from NYX, the pen, and this too is from Benefit. I just love it. And this is soft ochre from MAC, and using the BH Cosmetics brush 130 just to apply it. When you apply this concealer, go as close as your eyebrow. It's good to go that close, and then when you put the eyebrow underneath your eyebrow bone, the highlighter powder, it will not fall out, it will stick properly. And remember, last video also I showed on the edge of this brush, take the concealer and do a little bit on the lower. Remember, we're going to put the lower. If you have a intention of putting the lower eyeshadow, then that will help you to adhese, and it's not going to fall on your skin. I am going to put the concealer underneath my eyebrows, and this is from YSL Yves Saint Laurent, and I take out a little bit on my hand and then applying it. I'm using these two palette from Juvier Palettes, this two palette, and as I mentioned that I'm gonna do a very sophisticated easy to wear look. So for my transition color, I am going to use this one, the last one, and using 330 M330. Ooh, Morphe brush. Holy moly, I was not expecting that strong color. Never mind. Today, if you guys notice that I am doing both eyes together because I have enough time. I did my foundation routine and my eyebrow routine off camera so that you guys can see detail. And kiddo, you are gonna like it. So to me it became a little darker, so I was not expecting that. So I'm gonna take a peachy color, and on top of that I'm playing it to make it a little diluted, a little lighter maybe, if it is possible, and dragging it a little bit this way. Okay, this brush is from Body Shop. I'm using this brush just to apply my underneath my eye the translucent powder, and the powder is from this company, RCM. Just a little bit, so that if I change my mind and play with the darker color, I don't have to be worried or fall out. So I'm gonna apply the concealer around here to apply my peach color, one of the peach color eyeshadow. This is from MAC, and I'm gonna squeeze a little bit on my hand. It goes far, and I'm gonna use a synthetic brush. This is from Bobbi Brown, simple brush, and then you can use any synthetic brush. I close my eyes, just look, I applied this concealer to adjust my lighter color. So now I'm gonna use this peach color on the inner corner, and using the brush Morphe M421. I'm just taking the color on the brush and kind of just dabbing it. I'm not stretching it like that, okay? Such a cute color, my gosh, love it. Now I'm going to take Morphe, this one is R41 brush, and from my outer corner I will go this copperish goldenish color. I don't know, do they have name? No, they don't have name. So just to give it depth. I'm changing the brush and taking a pencil brush. This is from Morphe also. This one is 515, very tiny brush, like a very small brush, and to go to my lower line eyeshadow. Oh my god, this is so cute. Changing the brush, taking Dose of Color pencil brush and taking from the same palette the off-white color just for my underneath my eyebrows. Now at this point, guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna blend all the color, taking just a clean fluffy brush, and this one is Morphe R39. There is no color whatsoever, so I'm just gonna take it and then like kind of blend everything in so that it looks shameless, like it's not separated from one color to another color. As I said, I'm going in the corner just a tiny mini darker, just to give it depth on it. And then we're gonna put just a little bit, I promise not much, just a little bit of peach color. I have the exact peach color glitter. Oh, this is gonna be so beautiful then. So guys, I just used the NYX it's glitter glue, but it's in a tube, so I just applied a little bit, as I promised, just a tiny bit I'm gonna use, and then again taking a synthetic brush and take the glitter, like just applying it. Simple as that. Using the Makeup Forever gel eyeliner for my inside eyes, and then I'm gonna use liquid eyeliner today on the top, and using the brush from Bare Essential. That's a small eyeliner brush. I'm very comfortable with this brush, and this brush is with me for so many years. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna use today the lash. It's a very interesting lash. I'm gonna show you guys. Hold on a second, kiddo. Okay. Then, as I always mention in my videos, make sure you put the kajal on top of your tear duct. Now I'm gonna use first the mascara primer, which is from MAC, and then after the primer I'm gonna use the Big Shot from Maybelline. That's my favorite mascara at this point. If you guys watching my video, you know what eyeliner I'm gonna use, right? Sure. I have to sacrifice a big wing today because I really wanted to keep it as a sophisticated one since I put the glitter. So I'm gonna sacrifice my wing. Not too strong wing, okay? So we have sacrificed our long wing to make it look a little bit softer, using Morphe M438 brush and Hoola bronzer, and cut my checks if it is possible. E47 from Morphe for my nose contouring. Taking Morphe R3 brush, jumbo brush, just give the color all over my face, and this is MAC NC42. Using NARS blush on today, and very sad I broke it. Oh, this is a high-end product. You know guys, I left my bronzer on the salon, but I have the brush. Do you guys recall it? It's from MAC. Last year they have launched that highlighter. It was amazing. I'm using this hourglass highlighter. Trust me, I have 1,000, just exaggerating. I have at least 20 highlighter. This is one of my favorite, what can I say? And my son doesn't like to see any finger spot, so I cleaned it. Now I'm gonna take all of these three and dust it. See how crazy I am. Remember you guys, I told you guys, when you have a mature skin, too much highlighter is not good. This is so addicting. Applying highlighter is like for makeup artists. Oh, how can you not do that? But sometimes you just have to sacrifice. This one I have to do with my finger because as it is, I have a bulky nose. I don't want to make it more fatty. I'm using the lip pencil. It's called Chestnut from MAC. And using the color from Retromade MAC lipstick. It's called Dance With Me. Dance with me, dance with me. Thank you for watching my video. I loved making this video for you guys, and I have to thank you guys for your love and support towards this journey. And this Valentine's Day special, I am announcing this giveaway for you guys. This is a Real Technique brush set, and with this set I am going to add 2 MAC brand new lipsticks. One will be Rubio, one will be Flat Out Fabulous. So if you are interested to win this giveaway, please see the instructions in the below description sections, and be glamorous until I meet you guys for my next video. And I love you all. Thank you, and thank you.